liw-liw di magdatutuwi na rin namin. Isa po ka, Manoa ay nagton. Ito matanong mo muna ito raw.
Say a few words in Tauke language, just in acknowledgement of the ceremony here today. Oyosaka, baturang sa katikoy na matulev, nakurwaro ba sa kana momolev na Nadi. Sa baturang sa katalsungay na langin, ina busa tinkarua, ba sa kana momolev na Tunawak. Di tukusa ka na linginiwaw na leoni Manoa, erua. Nabuno sa ko nabatulew, kaya nabuno sa ko nawak. Nabukusa nga ni matinitu, nabukusa ka ni nomuni Prime Minister, kaya na nomuni matinitu. Ngandar bang kami bagandiwa takasanganan nito baka binibinak. Kaya na untuk ka sa katsukon na ibagaraw ni Pinggarabi, kaya na bintokay. May bagay doon sa juga na singa binakendai. Wambo tani gitu may tinggo masaka juga na gara-gara bisa kendai. Sa tinggo misaka juga na Leoni Bonovic, na buku ni Leoni Bonovic. Kena bingarabi sa apa menakatal tinga bertu na ililiw ni mandia ni Vodafone. Dartu na kenan dara kita kena bingarabi. Karena bakaturang may bagay doon sa juga na singenday. Wow, barita ka sa kataka na tumutumbe. Na rubi buka buli mena sa ibiting ibang karasa ka juga doon na puno merokin. Gaya may rosa ka juga na matulebu. Lay maroroy talangay nalang na rubi sa kakwa buka maya. Rumus saya sa mbasi ka sa kamay ni kuwa. Sa mbasi ka sa kamay na alo ni Nganga, kaya baka binibinaka. Basi ka sa katalunga may na alo ni Pinggarabi. Anak kaya na sangay may duri na katal, may baka binakatagi, may baka yang binakatagi na nanda Manoa. Kung ano ni may daka sa katsuka na ita, baka turang, baka Manoa na singenday. Sa kalim sa kachigin na baba ni binaka na pakamundo. Kito na hindi na sa kachigo. Na matintutungo ay napuno erua. Membalatan sa kanabi maroy. Kaya nabindok kaya may bagay doon sa kachigo bigito. Ni kito tigo bunaw tigo na laman ni Bonovic. Imanjung sa kina na turang na momolew. Natuinan dira dami sa kachigo na tadinra na ngonturang na tuinawaka. Nabuno sa ko na lang. Maindo sa katsunga na wasa ni baba ni binaka ni Berni tau juga na wasa ko baba lang ng dola ni sangka na singin ko. Wasa katsunga na kenlo. To the momolevo the Nadi, Ratu Bunyani na Bunyudi, na momolevo na Tunawaka, Ratu Tomasi Kanailangi na Evo, Acting CEO for Vodafone Fiji, Mr. Rajnesh Prasad, to the director, the sole director, I guess, today for Vodafone Fiji, Mr. Asgeli Tigundondua, to management and staff of Vodafone here today, executives of the Nadi Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the Nadi Retailers Association, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, and the public who are watching here today. Misambula Benaka, Dolabena, and a very, very, very good morning to you all. I am delighted to be here today to officially open Vodafone Fiji's premium outlet at the FNPF complex. Let me begin by acknowledging Vodafone Fiji for exploring new boundaries in the mobile telecommunications business, bringing Fiji to the next level of mobile innovation. Information and communication technology unlocks the value of time and overcomes distance, enabling us to multitask on multi-channels and in multiple locations. And as Minister for Communications, I value the importance of information and communication technology and the difference it can make to our economy when it is well managed as a strategy. Over the last 2 decades, Vodafone has built a robust network infrastructure to achieve its vision of a connected Fiji, delivering many of Fiji's first telco infrastructure and innovative mobile solutions, and it continues to play a critical role in spearheading digital transformation initiatives. In today's connected world, digital and technical capabilities are essential drivers of economic growth and social development. They provide opportunities for businesses to expand their reach, access new markets, and increase productivity. For citizens, digital technologies offer a more convenient, efficient way of accessing services and engaging with their government. Vodafone Fiji has shared an incredible journey over the years and continues contributing to the modernization and economic development of Fiji, contributing significantly to connecting our society. The millions invested over the years in mobile communications infrastructure have kept Fiji on par with the world and our citizens accessible to government services. Through our partnership with Vodafone Fiji, we have seen the delivery of satellite solutions to the unconnected in the most remote and interior parts of Fiji. This is in itself is a shining example of rebuilding Fiji together, which is a theme for this government. Ladies and gentlemen, the coalition government intends to steer digital financial inclusion and communication and will be working and partnering with major service providers like Vodafone to improve communication services in rural and maritime areas. Our high priority will remain in keeping up with the latest telco infrastructure and technologies, a strategic direction which we all have an equal part to play in to ensure Fiji remains relevant in this fast-evolving industry. Being technically resilient as a nation means we have more possibilities for progress in the area of business process outsourcing, digital innovation, and being identified as a risk management destination. Having the right infrastructure will boost investments in our country, meaning more jobs, more innovations for our people, further promoting economic diversification. As the Minister in charge of or responsible for communications, I believe that we have the opportunity to continue to transform our country using technology as the driver. We are steadfast in our dedication to bring connectivity to the remaining 5% of unconnected Fijians. And I'm sure Vodafone Fiji will be a part of that success in enhancing the lives of the unconnected. Before I conclude, I thought I'd just share some recollections. I actually attended the opening of the first Vodafone retail outlet in Nadi some years back, down the road. Lenora Gertambo was the MC then, and she is the Deputy Speaker of the Parliament. And certainly, from a personal perspective, I'd just like to congratulate Vodafone for continuing to push the envelope in terms of development and exploring new opportunities and new horizons. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. It's acknowledged that no business can stay in business without its customers. To the Fiji National Provident Fund, the My FNPF Center will no doubt add value and make Nadi more attractive to locals and tourists, offering a luxurious shopping environment under one roof. As your government, it is our priority to create a conducive and enabling environment, business-friendly environment, whether you are a micro-entrepreneur or a large business. I am told the premium outlet will employ 14 retail staff, providing the jet-set town an important service. Coming back to today's event, I do not wish to take too much of your time, as I can see everyone is eager to tour the new outlet. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I once again congratulate the team at Vodafone Fiji and declare Vodafone Fiji's premium outlet open for business. Thank you, Gunandu, and God bless you all.